This is a solid microphone, and they're so cheap. You may as well get the match pair. You know, and yet they let me keep the demo units that I reviewed. Oh, I showed the serial number, kind of, not really, but anyway, I'm actually going to revisit the SE7 soon because I know somebody who owns a real piano, and they also have some nice guitar amps and nice guitars, and they're a good musician in general. So I want to get some more audio samples from the SE7 because, again, when a lot of people start recording their own stuff, of course, the first question is, which microphone do I buy? So I want to record a few more things just to, you know, see whether or not the SE7 can handle those sources or not. I'm especially curious about piano. The hell is this? Oh, I've been looking for this. Okay, this shouldn't even be in here. But this is I use this when I copy videotapes. So it's, I just got this actually, like about 2 months ago. And it doesn't do what I hoped it would do, which is be a affordable time-based corrector. But it does defeat macrovision. So if somebody gives me like an old out-of-print tape, oh, I forgot to mention what it is. So it's the I don't even know the name of this thing. The XDI Max Grex 7.4. Yeah. So S video in, power, or is that out? Either way. Oh, it's in. Okay. Yeah, so in, S video, power adapter. You also have, don't use this because it's, you know, RCA, quality loss. But, you know, if that's all you have, then that's all you have. But like I said, this thing, I honestly should have sent it back because all it does is defeat macrovision. And that's not what I needed. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to spend the bucks to get an actual time-based corrector, because otherwise I can't record my old videotapes without having issues. Again, I didn't mean to have that in the audio box, but I'm sure that this is not the last thing that that doesn't belong in here. Okay, so this is the AKG D112, which is like an industry standard kick drum microphone. And yeah, kick drum microphone. I've recorded a bass amp with this. Probably a tuba might sound okay. I don't know, but kick drum, you need a microphone just for kick drum that can handle high sound pressure levels. And this is what I got because this is something that a lot of people recommended to me back in the day. And I've had this microphone, I would say 17 or I would say like 17 years. Okay, this is one of my other prized possessions. This usually goes along with the 603S whenever I'm recording. It's a Mogami Gold Stage XLR cable, and it's awesome. 30 feet of awesomeness. It costs a lot of money, but it's got a lifetime warranty. I don't want to say it sounds better than other XLR cables, but it's more durable. A friend of mine borrowed this, and he kinked the crap out of the cables, and I unkinked it. Other XLR cables would have not been able to be so, they would have been stuck in that crappy kink position. This one just keeps on ticking. Okay. Speaking of S-Video, there's an S-Video cable from Acoustic Research. This thing's quite old. I would say dating back to the year 2001. Back when I was buying my VCRs. So, okay, a little 3 feet XLR cable. This was the, well, it says VTG, but this was actually like Guitar Center's, whatever Guitar Center's like medium priced brand is. So I typically will use this when I'm doing when I have a shotgun microphone on my video camera. Okay, this is a Shure SM57. I actually just used this yesterday during a video shoot. It's just this. Oh, and it also has a windscreen on the front of it. The A2WS. So, and this microphone used to be used on the presidential podium. It's a solid microphone. If you drop it, you don't have to worry about it breaking. And yeah, just overall, the SM57 rocks. This is the clip for the SM57. Obviously. Alright, now we're getting down to some other cool stuff. I just talked about a microphone, so I'll talk about this. This is the digital drum dial. And it helps you tune drums. It helps you make sure that the lug nuts are the same tightness. And there is an analog version of this, but I said, okay, I'll get the digital one. It's only $30 more or whatever it was at the time. And really, I was gonna sell it, but I decided not to. It also comes with a piece of glass and a lug nut tuner. I reviewed this actually a few years ago, so go check that out if you had the time and inclination. I need a new battery for this thing, I'm pretty sure. Okay, all right, I'll talk about these. So Trident Audio sent me their big amp, which at the time they were still in like final development with it. So I got two because apparently